Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. And yes, we're going on with the R141, or I should say 141R. The steam train that we got from IXO Collection. So let's get straight into this and see what this beautiful build brings. And as you can see right there, you can see the parts here at the ready. I've got a second part there. We don't need that at the moment. So this is stage number 13 and we're going on with it. And so some of my cameras went a little bit strange, but that's due to me having used Hyperloops when I was building the two little things that you may have seen in the background just a little bit ago. But let's get the magazines out and show you what they look like. Welcome back. The magazine number 4 is box number 4, kits number 13, 14, 15 and 16. We're going to see if how many I'm going to do, but I may do 2 and then go on, but depending on how much I have to do. So here you go, another picture of that beautiful steam train. Well, there you go, I've got the whole magazine in. The steam era. You can see some nice pictures there. The magazine, these are the parts that we have in front of us, and 3 types of screws. And this is what we're doing in these few kits. And let's do it let's do 13 and then we'll show you 14 after that. But I do have to show you, I'll show you at the end, just the last, oh, there's nothing else. All right, I wanted to show you the pictures in the back, but there are no extra pictures here. So we're getting that one out and putting it on like so. Remember from the last time. And we're going to put it in on like so with that pin there and that one there. I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit more because these parts are pretty small. As you can see, those two together, and we're getting an AM, I think. Yep, there we go. And this is what we have. So we're putting this one in and have a good look at the orientation. These are wider out than the other ones. And that is what we should put it in like. And we are going to put a piece in that. There you go, that is in. Then we're going to get that one out. If you remember from the last time, that we're putting that on like so. So that one is going over to that one. We're putting AMs in that. So we will put a little bit of oil on that tip as well. Remember that everything that is going into metal is easier to put a little bit of oil on the tip. And I'm sorry about this, but it's all black on black. There we go. As you can see them right there. That is that. And push them into those points. And leave that to that. And then we're going to put 13D on that. Very tiny parts in that, guys, so be careful. We're pushing them into those 2 holes there. And we're supposed to put that on and then push that in, but this went fine, as you can see right there. Which one are we pushing in? Yeah, that one. The smallest one into the point, and I'm pushing it in now. That's in properly, as you can see right there, like on this side. I think it's this one, and I'm quite sure it is this one. I don't want to hold it on that, so we're pushing that onto, no, well, it's quite logical. We're putting 2 AMs there and an AM through that hole and that one. So for those, we will need a different screwdriver to the one I'm using now, otherwise we can't reach it. So we put that whole thing on with 4 AM screws, as you can see. Then we're getting to the very tiny little loops out, or that is what we're putting onto. Did I miss something? I did. I went a little bit quick. We still need to do those. So let's go to the other side. Yeah, how do we know which is left and right? And we turn it around. They've not made sure that you can't put it in another way. So this is wet way with the rounded area there and that little thingy there, and that's where we put those little loops that I just showed you on. And this is more or less what it should look like, if you can see right there. We're going to do one more on the other side. There we go. They're in. Then we're going to put those golden things in, or I should say, I think they're coppered. Wouldn't be golden, but golden colored things. And I'll push them in and I'll show you. So that is what they should be looking like. And now we're going to put those two on. And you'll see it in a moment. So it should be like that, but now I have to do the other side. And this one wouldn't go in on the other side, but maybe it's... And that side as well, as you can see right there. So we're putting that aside for a moment, carefully. I think we're putting them on. I don't know if you can see that properly, but for me it's hard to show you. I think we're putting it on here, on these three, and that one goes into the middle hole and the other ones go on the other side. And then we will put some AM screws to put on the four corners of that. And again, like previous, they're using a lot of black. 4 of these in all corners, as I said, and they're EMs. Don't forget to put a little bit of oil on that tip. So we turn this around, and that is what it looks like right there. And then we're going to put this one on top of it, but we need to find out how. So if you look at these 4, you have them here as well. So the ones that are the widest from each other are to the front, to that side. So that's where we put them on. There we go. And now we're going to use AMs. These 2 we've not touched, and I don't see anywhere to put them. But I'll have a look back in the magazine. I know that they won't be used. Oh, we will use them. So that is what we have at that moment. Let's put that aside and go to these, because that's what's still happening. That's quite easy to see. There's no other way to put that in then. So we put that one in, and now we're going to put the other one on somewhere. Trying too hard to put it on. As you can see, that one we just put on. That. And that is that stage done. Let's see what we do in the next stage. Always check what is in the bag. Yeah, I've got everything. Stage number 14, as you can see right there. So we're putting it like so. Then we're using that one right there, and this one is in there like so. Then we're going to turn it around, or are we not? I don't get it. 14D goes on top of that. Then we've got 2 points to screw in. So we're going to start with the one in the front, which is an LM. It's a long screw, and we are going to put some oil on that. And the other one is a ABM. So that is what we have. And we're putting this one somewhere else. So we're going to put that up. This is a hard one to put in. Let's use the smaller screw head. Why is it not working? It worked. We put that little thing on the right there. All right, and that is stage number 13 done. And this is a large stage, so we will be doing that in the next video. Well, that was that, guys. As you can see right there, that is what we have done. A lot of little things that we put on. We've made this whole area, we've put this whole area in, and we put the front on, which the lower part can move, as you can see right there, and we put a lot of details on that as well. Oh, well, that was that, and as you can see, it's a really nice build. Next 2 stages we are going to do a lot more with these kind of things. So I don't know how you call these, between the wheels, so all the wheels move because of the steam. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more of this beautiful build. As you can see right there, we've got quite a bit, and right there and there you see something else as well. So, it's got to do with Santa and the red bus from the London transport. So hope to see you then. Bye bye.